So how do gifts work on TikTok Live, and how could they be transferred into real cash? So this is actually a follow-up video on my other video where I talk about how to make money on TikTok Live. So if you haven't already seen that one, you can watch that one after this video. I'll link it down in the description below and also after this video in the suggestions. Stick around until the end, guys, because I've noticed a lot of videos on TikTok gifts and coins are outdated, and I think I'll be one of the only videos on YouTube with accurate information on coins and gifts. Thanks for coming back for another dose of Joseph. If you're new to this channel, I'm Joseph Henry, and my main goal is to help you grow in social media, especially TikTok, as fast as possible, and be able to monetize it if you're interested in that as well. I have a TikTok Tips to Go Viral playlist on YouTube that I'll be linking below in the description if you're looking to take that seriously. And I also link my TikTok viral chat that you can join, where I'll keep you up to date on all the new trends and all the videos that will help you go viral as quickly as possible. So definitely click that link and join that. If you watch this video and you like what you see, definitely drop a like below because it helps me out a ton, and subscribe because I make tons of videos just like this one. So firstly, when you get 1,000 followers on TikTok, you can go live and people could purchase coins to give to you in the form of gifts. To break down each of the gifts, a TikTok equals 1 coin, a panda equals 5 coins, an Italian hand equals 5 coins as well. I don't know why 2 gifts equals the same thing, it doesn't make any sense. A love bang equals 5 coins, a sun cream equals 50 coins, a rainbow puke equals 100 coins, a concert equals 500 coins, and an I'm very rich equals 1,000 coins. Each coin transfers to half of a cent in US dollars. When people buy coins, they could buy different bundles of coins, but no matter how many coins they buy in a bundle, each coin costs them a penny and a half, 1.5 cents. So a coin costs them 1.5 cents, you get half a cent, and TikTok takes the other cent. So since that might be confusing, here's an example. So if someone donates an I'm very rich, when you transfer that to money, it's gonna be $5 US. But it will have costed the person that sent that to you $15. So you're basically getting only 1/3 of what that person paid, and TikTok is getting the other 2/3. It sucks, I know, but you could still make a good amount of money going live. I'll also be dropping another video on more ways you can make money on TikTok, so look out for that video in the TikTok playlist. So if you want to withdraw this money, you can do that right in the settings menu on your profile. You'll click balance, and here it'll show you how many coins you have and how many coins you've made total since you first made TikTok. So if you want to withdraw, you click the withdraw button on the bottom. And if you haven't already, you'll link your PayPal account so you can transfer this money to your PayPal. As I said in the other TikTok live video, most countries make you withdraw into PayPal, and only some countries like Turkey or Egypt allow you to withdraw directly into your bank account. On TikTok, it says it takes up to 15 days to withdraw into your PayPal, but every single time I've withdrawn from my TikTok to my PayPal, it's been instant. And when it's in your PayPal, you could transfer it to your bank account using a bank transfer, which takes about 3 to 5 days and is free, or you could do an instant transfer where you send it to your card or your bank, and it costs a small fee to make it go to your bank account instantly. All of the videos I've seen on TikTok coins and gifts have stated that it takes 15 days for the money to get to your account. They've said the max that you can withdraw is 1,000 per day, and the minimum that you can withdraw is 100. All of those aren't true. Like I said, it transfers immediately to your PayPal. The minimum to withdraw is actually 50, and you can withdraw up to $15,000 per day. Whoever else has made videos on this have most likely never actually withdrawn any money from TikTok. Again, if you want to learn how you can actually make money on TikTok Live, click the link to that video in my description below. Also, comment your TikTok username down below because I'll be going through your profiles and giving you feedback on how you can grow on TikTok faster. If you like this video, be sure to like down below. Also subscribe because I make videos like this all the time and I upload every other day. Check the TikTok Tips to Go Viral playlist that I'll be linking down below because I have tons of videos on how you can grow as quickly as possible on TikTok and how I went from 0 to over 650,000 followers in the matter of 2.5 weeks. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.